Hello everyone, Charles Moon here with Prosper Trading Academy, bringing you your daily market commentary. Just want to give you a quick update. As you know, I am the market strategist for the cannabis sector. Well, let's talk about how awake this sector is getting, how it's starting to bloom. Look at Tilray. This stock in just a few days has basically gone from $30 to $41. If you look at CGC, same thing. Just the other day, it went from $30 to $40. If you look at Aurora ACBFF, you could see that this thing has run from $5 to almost $7. Kronos Group, which we are currently in, along with Tilray, has jumped from the $6 to almost $9. I mean, it's been lighting up my scanners on huge buy volume. Another name that we ended up getting into, Afria, is now waking up and really looking to get to that $10 mark. This has jumped up from $7 to over $9 here. So why is this? Well, this has actually been widely speculated that we're going to see another bump in these stock prices, and we know when this stock or when this sector does start catching a bid, how insanely strong it can move up. I don't know if we'll get the same type of move that we got when at the end of last year when California, Nevada, and others were going fully legal. But we're starting to see those signs of life, folks. Look at the breakouts. Look at this extension. Just huge trading ranges and volume just screaming. I mean, Kronos today is trading at 25 million as of right now, and we're only halfway through the session when the stock average is 3.4 million. When I pull up CGC, the most expensive name outside of GW Pharma, again, averages 4.7 million. Now it's at 16.5, and it's like, why is this? It's because Canada's going fully rec. Again, this is widely been speculated. I've actually talked about this in early July, looking for this run. But then we were speculating that the Canada go fully rec around late August, maybe mid-Sep. Now we're looking at mid to late October. So the move, which I thought would possibly happen end of July, early August, is now taking place mid-August, late August. I guess better late than never. I just love the entire sector itself. The intelligence scan that I use, the same as Michael Shore in his stock options room. While I don't take the methodology itself, the list is growing on a daily basis. I started with 2 names last Thursday, and now I'm at 18 today. And so we're starting to get more bullish indications. The artificial intelligence is speculating that there's just more projected upside in these names, and these stocks are projected to move higher. So I don't know. I mean, like I said, names like Tilray and CGC and Kronos are benefiting from the market run up, but it doesn't explain why Tilray's up 11.25%, and they were up even more yesterday. You can see that they had a $6 trading range yesterday. They opened the day at $31. That's just not typical. Today it's $3.80. They actually had an inside bar that triggered. I love the upside in these names. Of course I do. I just feel that right now names like Tilray, like CGC, are a bit extended to try and jump into. They're also the most expensive. I do feel that Aurora is fairly valued, Afria is undervalued, and a few other names are undervalued. So you could kind of pick on those names. The bigger names of the group, are still in the single-digit price point as value plays. I'm not saying that Tilray doesn't have more upside, but it may not have more upside, and I've been aggressively pursuing my stop. So we'll have to wait and see. I just feel that the sector is now really booming, and and the stock prices are starting to get high, pun intended. But there's still room for these names to continue up. Now, I don't know if Tilray and CGC will continue moving the sector up. I just feel that there's a lot of value in the marketplace right now, or in the cannabis sector marketplace, and not much value in the overall markets, considering how close we're at these all-time highs across the board. So when you kind of relate and you're looking for value, and especially if these stocks start to catch a bid, there will be no other sector outside of maybe small cap tech that could provide these types of rewards in a very short period of time. Keep your eye on the sector APHQF, ACBFF, ACB and APH if you're in Canada, Kronos Group, CRON. Kush Bottles is another value play, KSHB, ACAN, CANN, XXII, TLRY, CGC, Supreme Pharma, SPRWF, sorry. Oh my gosh. You could put in CBIS, CBDS, which I really like to the upside, HLIX, MJNA if you want to looking at it. If you're looking at small value plays, IMLFF is another name that could be catching a really nice bid, and that's a penny name. And OGRMF, which I actually tried to get into today and just was unsuccessful in getting into it because it took off on me. I was trying to look for a swing play, and I was trying to buy at 397. That was my signal, and it just never came into fruition, unfortunately. It just never came down and filled. That was a signal right there. Oh, that was a cancel signal, sorry. That was me having to cancel it. Here is the signal itself, OGRMF, 397 or lower. And that was sent out at 8:24 this morning. Well, at the open, it got close. It got to 403, then 402, and then it just basically went straight up. Now, it didn't go up a tremendous amount, but the move that I was looking for was being made. And if it pulls back, I don't think I have much of an interest in buying in. So just keep your eyes on this sector, folks. We may see this sector continue up. As of right now, I am going to enjoy every last second of this move and take advantage of the position we are in, which is long, and we're in an okay spot. All right, folks, I do want to mention that our lawyers have to let's say this, that stock and stock options trading involves a substantial degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. In the meantime, folks, make sure that you follow us on YouTube at Prosper Trading Academy. Click on that bell, that notification button. Same with Facebook. Make sure you like our page at Prosper Trading Academy, and on Twitter, follow us at Prosper Trading and myself at the letter C, Moon Trader, for any and all updates regarding the cannabis sector and tech names, and I'll be more than happy to share them with you and answer all questions. Take care, folks, and have a wonderful, wonderful trading week.